In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth keyboard to your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side, select devices. Select the add device button at the top and then make sure your keyboard is powered up, that it's turned on, as well as connected to your local Wi-Fi settings. And then you would select the Bluetooth option underneath Add a Device and just follow through with the on-screen directions, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.